Gonna crash the markets? No, not really. It wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad at all. So we got they basically they said they're projecting 2 possible rate hikes by the end of 2021. And before we go to that, we are right now above 768. That's what we need to do. Good afternoon, everybody. Gamma squeeze action. We need to, if it's going to be a gamma squeeze, I don't want to get everybody's hopes up. But here's the thing. Here's the fact. All right, if we can close the day above 768, right? That's where the 4-hourly 21 SMA, otherwise known as that middle Bollinger Band, right? That's where it's going to be at. We need to close above that. That's the first goal. Short term, if we want a gamma squeeze, we gotta close the day above 768. Okay. That's pretty much as simple as it gets, pretty much. Also, we need the markets to stop going insane. The markets, I mean, well, the markets are doing great right now. Okay, the market's freaking rallying right now. It's simple as it gets. But if we look at the markets right now, dude, it's the oh man, I cannot believe. Well, I kind of can. There's so many different things to talk about with the markets. What's going on right now? But we're gonna go over the Fed stuff pretty soon here. But it's very weird. It's very weird. Although it's like a. Is this still going on right now? Last I checked, it was still going on. But anyways, we do have the little. It's pretty much done. The Fed announcement is done, to my understanding. But last I checked on YouTube, is JB still talking right now? I don't even know. But right now, the markets freaking love it. I don't know if it's somebody tell me right now if it's still going on. Let me just, you know what? Let me just check right now. Here, let me just see. He's taking questions. Yeah, he's taking questions right now. Okay, yeah. Well, anyways, right now the market took his crap, right? Well, not crap. Okay, crap. Basically, we're getting more interest rate hikes, more likely, right? 2 possible rate hikes. The analysts, whatever the FOMC crap, okay, whatever this, okay, they're projecting more rate hikes, right? The market is taking that and saying, hell yeah, screw it, we don't care. We're going up anyway, bitch. And to me, from my point of view, I freaking love it, actually. I actually love what we're seeing. I actually like it. I mean, of course, short term, oh my gosh, 772. Oh man. All right, we're going to get to the markets pretty soon here, but we're up almost 5%. We got to keep it on the price action right here. Everyone just getting in right now. For everybody that's just getting in right now. Hold on, let me go over here. The middle Bollinger Band on the 4-hourly chart, right? Where's it at? 768, man. I just said a second ago. I forgot. Anyways, all right, 760. I've got it drawn up right here. We got to close it. If you want a gamma squeeze, right? If you want the rockets in the chat to actually effectuate with the stop price, got to close the day above 768, at least short term. We don't necessarily have to, right? Wall Street Bet stops censoring us. Boom, moon time. But of course, Kate, who the hell knows, right? Short term, we need. This is the first step, right? This is the first step that we need to happen. So yeah, that's what we need. And I also want to look at the SAR and the Supertrend on the 4-hourly, right? We're still in bearish territory. We still have a ways to go to get that bullish flip there. But this is obviously a start. Okay, this is obviously a start. I would really like if we can close the day above 768, and we have the news to do it. We have the news to do it, man. We really do. We have the news, and if anyone's just getting in, if anyone's new to Bionano, didn't catch up with the news today, whatever, we basically had what we had. Now this looks weird, okay? This looks like it's just me writing it, but essentially what I had to do, I had to copy and paste it from the Seeking Alpha articles because they don't let you actually read it unless you subscribe or whatever. So I had to copy and paste this real quick before the stupid pop-up comes up, like it's going to in 1 second here. Okay, this crap, right? So basically, there's a new the BTIG firm or whatever. They think Bionano is, quote, on the cusp of bringing disruption to the cytogenetics testing market. Although, it's so funny. It's like, yeah, they're on the cusp of disrupting the cytogenetics market, yet the price target is only $10. Like, it's like, what is this? Like, come on. Anyways, right now, okay, here we go. 768 right now. Oh, here we go. Breaking down. We need to close above. We need to close above 768. That's the goal for today. We don't necessarily need to. It would just be very nice, right? It would be very nice to actually break out above and confirm the damn breakout for once, man. For once, the Nasdaq is right now. The Nasdaq. Oh man. Oh, quick dump, cooling down. I shouldn't say dump. Yeah, if we go ahead and read this crap, I haven't even read this whole thing yet. Okay. Oh yeah, and they're going to be doing their what is it? The asset purchase program, which is absorbing about 120 billion a month in assets. Right, the government spending is not going away anytime soon. Right. Right now it's still going to be doing this. So short term, freaking as much money that we can get into the economy. Right, it's just going to make it go higher short term. So short term is what you want to see. Mid long term. Maybe not, but make your own opinions on that. Anyways, what is this? What is this? I think I'm gonna lose my shit. I think I'm gonna throw my computer. I think you're gonna see, this is gonna be an entertaining live stream. What is this? 6% on the day. I'm sorry for the ear rape. I'm sorry. It's 6% on the day. Look at this. 42 million estimated short interest. The shorts are playing with fire, man. I'm telling you, they're playing with fire. If they don't push the price down these next few days, I mean, and there's nothing to stop us the next few days. There's nothing that can stop us. I mean, if we look at the economic calendar, let me show you guys something. All right, stay with me here. Stay with me, guys. Economic calendar. Today's Wednesday. What do we have tomorrow? Jack shit. That's what we have. All right, what do we have Friday? We have literally jack shit. We have literally nothing. None scheduled. What does this tell you? Monday, next week, nothing. Existing home sales. Who cares about that? Your grandma? No, not even her. No one gives a crap. No one cares about this stuff, man. What I'm saying is that the markets, dude, if they give us a chance like they should, given this, right, the market likes stability, it's going to get freaking heated, man. It's going to get heated. Look at this. 3.63 million borrowed shares on the day? Are you kidding me? 6% short interest change. This is what gets me pissed off. The shorts are so arrogant. It doesn't matter if we're green. It doesn't matter if we're 20% green like that. What do you call it? Last week, what was it? June 7th? Was that what it was? I don't know. When we were at 20%. Here, I'll go show you. Right on this day right here. The 7th of June. Right. It doesn't matter that we're up. They're still shorting like hell. If they keep doing it, if we can just by and large, I mean, it could go totally wrong. Okay, the markets could still theoretically crash, right? Whatever. Okay, but here's a fact for you: if it doesn't go horribly wrong, the shorts are gonna get fucked. It's just a matter of time. I think it. I really think it is. The company right now fundamentally is better than it's ever been. All right, I mean, every single week it gets better. The market, I like now. Midterm markets is a little bit scary now. Even more so than before, but short term, the market's freaking awesome. Okay, short term, I mean, still, the markets can still theoretically crash, right? Again, any of this stuff, I mean, no one really gives a shit about this, but here's the thing. It still theoretically could crash, but it shouldn't, right? It shouldn't. We don't have anything really to worry about now, right? This is still going on, right? The JP is still taking questions right now, but essentially, assuming he doesn't I mean, of course, I guess he can still screw it up. But, dude, there's nothing really to worry. I mean, it's looking good. That's what I mean to say, okay? Ape language, I shouldn't say it's looking good. It's just, it's looking like there is a real opportunity now. I mean, if you look at the short interest, it's super, oh, my God. 15% of the free flow has been sold short and not yet covered. We are fundamentally better right now than we've ever been before. They just won't stop, and we've got options expiring this week. It's going to get crazy this week. This is going to be an insane week. Look at the option chain, man. Look at the open interest. It hasn't gone down. 16K open interest on the $9 out the money call options. There's nothing on the puts. There's nothing. You've got all the ingredients you need for a gamma squeeze, except continuing going to higher. That's all you need. The stop price to go higher, and whose job is that? That's retail. Okay, retail holds like 80% of the float. About 80% of the flow is owned by retail. All right. If they hodl, by and large, you know what's gonna happen. I don't even have to tell you what's gonna happen, man. Just look at anything else that has a high short interest. Okay, if Wall Street bets, oh my, I don't even want to do it, but I'm gonna say it anyways. If they were to stop censoring us, it's goddamn over. It's over. It's absolutely over. Because Coruscant. How do you Coruscant? Yeah, Coruscant. I don't know. Yeah, Obi-Wan BNGO, thank you for the donation, my friend. I appreciate that. Yeah, freaking Coruscant. That's a Star Wars reference. But wait, which one is that? Which plan is? I'm trying to picture. God, I can't think right now. Hold on, I gotta look that up. I have to understand the reference. God, don't give me that Star Wars. Come on now. Which one? What movie is it? No. Which movie is it? Oh, is it the one with the freaking army? Is it the one with the army? The clones? Is that what it was? The city plane. Oh, no. It's the city one. It's the one that the freaking Palpatine's always on in the Phantom Menace and Attack of the Clones, right? Right? Yeah, it's the prequels. I know it's the prequels. Yeah, 765 right now. Sorry, I never get. Okay, I don't hear Star Wars references often. When I do, it's like yes. What happened with the Fed? All right, that's a good question. Basically, nothing crazy. I mean, yeah, there's more possible rate hikes projected by the end of 2023. Okay, Good. I actually, honestly, for the market wise, it's better if we just stop doing this shit that we're doing right now. But anyways, everyone just wants the government to keep freaking printing, man. Keep look at this. Let me show y'all something. Let me show y'all. Look at this. The Fed reiterated for now. I'm not telling you whether this is good or bad. You make that opinion up for yourself, my friends. But look at this. Look at this. The Fed also reiterated for now to commitment to its asset purchase program, 120 billion a month in asset. The government will not stop spending, man. They won't stop. They keep doing it, and whatever. Whether it's gay, hey, you decide whether it's good or bad. I'm not saying if it's good or bad, but it's just funny. It's just funny. Almost at 4% right now. We've got everything we need. We need to close the day above 768. If you're just getting in right now, 768 is the goal today. 768. We close above that. That's a 4-hourly 21 SMA on the 4-hourly chart, right? Let me go right here. Show you. All right, 767 now. Okay, good. I can move it down one. Good. It does move intraday a very small amount. Couple cents a day, you know, it moves a little bit every once in a while. Oh man. Brandon, I bought 10 shares of AMC. I hope AMC squeezes. I'm gonna be honest with you, I want to buy 1 share of AMC. I'm going to if this dips a little bit more. I want it to dip a little bit. I want to catch it a little bit lower. Hey, maybe after hours I'll put in an order for like 52. It probably won't get filled, but hey, whatever, man, whatever. All right. Yeah, so I like it. I like A, and everyone just getting in right now. Dude, the short interest is up almost 6% on the day. You heard that right. 6% on the day. We've got 3.63 million borrowed shares. Today, the estimated short interest according to Ortex data is going to be 42.67 million. 15.47% of the free float has been sold short, not yet covered, my friends. As simple as it gets. We've got options expiring this week. We've got 16,000 open interest, 16,000 contracts out there on the $9 strike price out the money call options, man. You've got everything you need for a freaking gamma squeeze, man. It's all there except us, the retail, the by and large public, the retail. We have to hodl. That's the only way it's going to actually happen. And of course, the markets have to do us some favors. But nowadays, right now we're kind of in the clear, to be honest with you. I would say we're pretty much in the clear. Okay, now JP, I think he's still going. I think JP is still talking right now. But yeah, it looks like he's still talking right now. But dude, once this is done, there's nothing. Okay, who cares about the jobless claims? All right, come on. None of this stuff is enough to freaking knock Bionano down to $5. No, it's not enough. I mean, I guess inflation. I guess the 10-year break-even inflation rate could just keep. I mean, just move. I guess that could set us on fire. But I like. Okay, short term, the markets next week looks better than it did this week, right? Like, there's a higher chance of next week doing good than this week doing good. If I don't know. I hope that made some sort of sense. Anyways, what I'm trying to say is that there's not many huge potential market headwinds coming up in these next 2 weeks, right? So 767 right now. Gold today is closed above 767, 4% in the green right now. Seeing that buying pressure coming in. We got fake walls. Everyone want to know what a fake wall is? You want to know what a fake wall is, guys? Do you not know what a fake wall is? Or do we have any beginner traders here? You don't know what market manipulation is? It's not necessarily manipulation, but this is a fake wall. Fake. This is bull crap, man. Absolutely crap. Unemployment benefits ended in many states. It will fall. Yeah, somebody send me a link about the unemployment benefits. Yeah, I want those. You make your own opinion on whether the unemployment benefits are good for the economy, but I want those to freaking stop. That's going to be good for the markets, I think. I want those to be done. More people at work, more people in the economy, more jobs being filled. Hell yeah, man. But you make your own opinion, okay? Don't let me make your own damn opinion, all right, man? Come on. Somebody send me a link about when they're going to end, though. I know Missouri, my state, it just freaking ended that not too long ago. So I'm like, heck yeah. I will hodl because it looks real now. Might buy 10,000 more. Can you give me 1,000 of those Newsweek while you're at it, my friend? Off with their heads. So long as I am your king, I will punish treason. What does he say? I will answer treason with justice. That's what Joffrey said before cutting Ned Stark's head off. They stopped in Missouri, Iowa, Mississippi last week. More in this week, dude. I love that. Okay, that's awesome. Now that's not. Is that enough to negate the government spending 120 billion? The government spending 120 billion a month in assets in the asset purchase program, man. I mean, I don't know how long they can keep this up, but right now that's what they're doing. So everyone loves a short term, hell yeah. But you know, this is why I have a ton of buying power for the midterm here. 771, man. Oh man, I'm gonna be so tired after this. If only I could keep this energy every time. Only 2 things from Missouri. Howard is back. Howard is back. What a legend. 10,000 shares just bought at the ask in that green, indicated to me by the green that helps the price go up, right? At buying at the ask. And we're about to break the intraday high, right? Intraday high is 773, and we don't even need to break that. Okay, we just need to hold above 767. That's all we need to do. 767. That's where the 4-hourly 21 SMA is, otherwise known as that middle Bollinger Band, right? We need to confirm the breakout above and make sure that's the new support. Right now, testing the intraday high 773 right now. Right now, George W. No, I'm kidding. I wish. Well, we could. I mean, I guess we kind of do. Not really. Let me look at them markets real quick. Hold on. Okay, Nasdaq is green again. Testing the previous high. Russell is even. Imagine how high BNGO would be today if the Russell was like 1% in the green. Oh man, there we go. Broke it. 774. There we go. Broke it. Woo, baby. Woo. Yeah, Newsweek, make sure you give me a couple thousand shares, my friend. How many shares? Newsweek, did you say you own 1 million shares earlier? Is that right? I'm calling you. We're gonna do some sort of interview. Yeah, if you own 1 million, if you actually do own 1 million shares and you're not trolling, yeah, we'll do it. We'll make a video. It has to be recorded though. It needs to be a recorded video because otherwise I don't know how to get the audio to work because I haven't looked that problem up. Yeah, I'll fix it eventually. 5%. Yep, 5% in the green now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So what if the option calls are short covers? All right, well, here, I don't really understand your question, but basically, here's one thing about that, right? I can just talk a little bit about that. Right here, you can see the price right now, okay? That does update. Yeah, that does update. 773 right now. But if we look at the options, right, they're expiring this freaking Friday, man. Look at the open interest in them. There's like 7,000 of them in the out-the-money $8, $9, $10 strike price. They're expiring 18th of June. That's going to be this Friday. All right, so what does this tell you? Well, it tells you a couple things. Not only do we have the first one of the biggest ingredients and needed things for a gamma squeeze, but you also have a lot of people betting that and holding their options until until expiration, or at least right now. What does that mean? That means a lot of them think it's going to go higher, right? So I mean, pair that with the short interest going absolutely ballistic today. All right, 6% in the This pisses me off so much, and this is why, okay? The shorts are more arrogant on BNGO than, like, anything else. Even sometimes, I swear to God, the shorts are more arrogant on BNGO than AMC even. But the AMC, okay, I want AMC to squeeze. I really do. I want to buy one share. I might buy one share here on stream. But with Bionano right here, dude, the shorts don't care. They are so ignorant. They don't understand the fundamental increases in value of the fundamental company. They don't understand those. CBO, nanonozzle, FDA approval, CMO, Al-Kachabi, FDA approval, experience. No idea what any of that shit is, okay? They don't know what the hell's going on. They don't know about the leaps that they just got. They don't understand them. That's why they're so arrogant and pushing the price down, okay? Now, they could very well be right in short term us going down, but if they're wrong, and if we start running, they have nowhere else to go. The margin calls are already almost coming by AMC, and a lot of the retail, a lot of the whales and hedgies that are short in BNGO are also shorting AMC, GameStop, Clover, all of this shit. Okay, they're bears on everything. Okay, they're in the dark side, right? They're just pure Siths. Okay, Siths. That's what we're fighting. It's the Jedi versus the Sith, man. And once they start covering, it's done. Okay, the Sith, they're not very cooperative team, right? They don't care about. Okay, once one of them covers, all of them have to cover, because if you're not going to cover, you're going to be the last one holding the bag, and you're going to be down hundreds, if not thousands of percent in total. Okay, so you're going to get margin call, right? You have. It doesn't even matter if you're the last one to cover. You have to cover. You have to cover even then. So it's going to be a domino effect, and I think once the AMC squeeze actually starts to happen, I think you could see some insane. I think you could see some insane price action in high growth. To put it at the very least, but I have to say there is risk though. That's the bull. I just told you the bull case, right? So I told you the bull case. And there is a bear case. Okay, so you need to understand that. All right, let me read Newsweek here. Okay. Brandon, I'll be heading to Arkansas to visit a journalist. I will happily meet you in person and do a full video. Dude, heck yeah, man. I'm in Springfield, Missouri. Let's do that. Newsweed. You better be legit, though. How sucky would it be for us to meet in person and then him show me his portfolio or whatever? And it's like something like not even close to $1 million. No, I'm sure he's legit. But yeah. Yes, let's do that. Newsweek. Yes, I've got your number. Hold on. Well, my phone is the camera, so I can't really do that right now, but I have your phone number. I have your phone number written down or on my little laptop here. So So I'll send you a text. I'll send you a text sometime so we can keep in touch, and you can tell me what the hell is going on. Yeah. Yeah, you were on. I'm nothing special. Yes, yes, yes. Let's do it. I remember my road trip to Arkansas and Springfield. Interesting learning experience. What is there to learn from us hillbillies down here? No, we're not really hillbillies. Well, at least this city isn't. Springfield's not really, but yeah. 1 million shares. Yeah, that's what he says. 1 million shares. Yeah, I do have your phone number. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 1 million shares. Yeah, apparently Newsweek. Newsweek, can you confirm that for us? You're telling me you have 1 million shares. 1 million. Whoo! I wish I had that many. 774. 8 after hours? Yeah, certainly we could. We certainly could. See you next week. All right. We have a whale in the chat. We have a whale that's going to be on the video. On a video pretty soon here. Yeah, show proof on Reddit. Yeah, I know. Please. I really want Newsweek to show us his portfolio just on a picture. On Reddit, on Discord, on anything. What? Hold on. I can't see the chats too fast. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Hold on. Is that 10? Are you telling me you have 10 million shares? Am I looking at that right? Not 1 million. 10 million? There's no way. There's no way. Yeah, there's no way. This is not real. I do not play. I will support you and prove to you. I don't. 10 million shares? Bro. 775 new intraday high. 5% in the green. Woo, baby. Woo, baby. No, 1 million. Yeah, you said 10 million. I think you actually put one more zero in there that you meant to, because that was what do you call it? That was what is that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 8 digits right there. I think you meant 7 digits. Yeah. 1 million. Okay, well, still, that's insane. Yeah, Newsweek, just send me a picture in the Discord. Just take a picture with your phone, snipping tool, screenshot, whatever, any way you want, and just send us your portfolio share amount on the Discord, man. And then we're good to go. Hey, I'm a roofer. What can you expect? Can I type? I'm a roofer. Oh, that's too funny. That's too funny. Ask Newsweek about how he dumped his MVIS in the twos. Oh. Newsweek, let me know before you sell so I can sell first before BNGO crashes. Yeah, honestly. You better not be selling. Newsweek, you better swear to God, Newsweek, if you're selling, I'm coming for you. Me sitting here with 1K shares. Yeah, I know. Same. Look at this. This man in the chat right now has got 1 million shares, and I'm pretty sure he's legit too. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty damn sure he's legit. I have actually seen some of his stuff. And I think he is legit, and he makes my 1,000 shares look like freaking child's play, man. It's disrespectful. 776 new intraday high, 5.5% in the green almost right now. 8:10 end of day. Mythical physics, glorious. This motivates me to finish my 750-page bull proclamation of being bull. What? Wait, what? What? Mythical Physics is now full bull. He's a full BNGO bull. Fellowship of the Sapphire member wannabe almost, man. Woo, man. Wow. APXT and AF point, that thing is still going on. That thing's been going on for like a year. I swear to God. When is that thing going to happen? Oh my gosh. 750 pages. Yeah, good luck. Good luck with that. Oh, man. Please pin Mythicals. Okay, done. I will. Okay, there you go. I pinned it. Somebody take a screenshot of that, will you? Or a snip and snap or whatever, screenshot and send it to the Discord, and then I'll pin it on the Discord as well, so we have it for future reference, just in case Mythical decides to jump ship again. If he does, hopefully he doesn't, right? So, oh man, come over to the BNGO light side. Come over to the Fellowship of the Sapphire, man. You want to be with the cool kids, right? You want to be with the popular kids, right? I'll show you how to do it. You go to Fellowship of the Sapphire. I'm going to link it in the chat right now. Freaking red. Look at this freaking picture. Come on. If you're a Lord of the Rings fan, even if you don't like BNGO, you have to love the picture. Come on. It's too good, man. Fellowship of the Sapphire right now. Bears are nowhere to be found right now. I mean, come on, man. Look at this. All right, here's high growth. Let me show y'all something, all right? Not only are we absolutely annihilating Microvision and NNDM, our biggest competitors, not really, okay, not at all, but as far as like momentum and price action for the day, right? Not long term, not midterm, but for the day, You can see what I mean. Okay, let's get a zoom in on that. Okay, look at it. Literally the exact same spark line. It's just a different amount. Like literally, it's the exact same spark line. Not only are we killing them in percentage-wise, we're killing them in volume. Speaking of getting killed, we're getting killed by the freaking average 3-month volume of 23 million. We don't even have 15 million right now. Absolutely despicable and sad and depressive and depression, but whatever. Okay, we're up 5% of the day. You can't complain. All right, GG, the people who sold yesterday, man. Jeez. I think the hair is going soon. Woohoo. Oh, yeah, by the way, if we have any new people here, I'm not shaving until BNGO hits 10, and I'm not getting a haircut until BNGO hits 15. New viewers probably think I'm insane. I'm on cocaine. A lot of people have said that before. I understand that. I really do. The Bears don't want Brandon to shave. It doesn't matter. There is no beard, right? I'll shave the attempted beard if we hit $10 once we hit $10. If we do, right? We need a whale to buy 1 million shares. We'll be a whale one of these days. I swear to God. I promise. This is a promise deal. This is why you want the channel to do well, right? I know this is in my best interest. It's like, oh, Brandon, I know it's in my self-interest, right? Whatever. Okay. The fact of the matter is, all the money I make from YouTube, like 99% of it is going straight into BNGO shares. Okay, I swear to God. All right, I swear to God. I mean, that's as simple as it gets. The goal is 10,000 BNGO shares, by the end of summer. Which, yeah. So basically, like what? 2 months? Not even 2 months. 2-3 months. Until school starts up again, ish. That's the goal. Yeah, 10K. Right now we don't even have 2K. so it's like, oh yeah. Well, anyway, yeah. If the channel does well, it's not. Okay, that's why you want the channel to do well, though. Not only, I mean, not even that. Okay, I'm throwing all my YouTube money. It's just I'll YOLO it on stream. I swear to God. You guys think so many people probably don't believe me when I say that. I will freaking add shares. I will add thousands of shares on stream at whatever price and whenever you all want. The only thing is, it's got to be YouTube money that we actually make. That's the catch. It's like, okay, well, the channel has to do well if this is going to happen. That's the catch, my friends. That's the catch. When school starts up again, no school. Yeah, I know. It's going to be painful. Yeah, it's going to be painful. It's going to be hard. We're not going to be able to stream all the time. We'll be able to stream a fair amount, though, okay? Hopefully. I only have this year. I only have school on college classes are only on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Yeah. Major is poli-sci right now, man. Dow is tanking. Nasdaq following. Let's see that. Right. Dow is tanking. Yeah. Yeah, Nasdaq is trying to fall, and then the Russell's kind of holding. SPY is getting shitted on. Yep. Well, whatever. Okay, I don't care. But as long as it goes a day above 768 or 768. Let's see if the Bollinger Band changed here. 768. Okay, that's where it is. Oh yeah, wait, hold on. Let me move that up one. All right, there we go. Yeah, 768, man. $7.68. New intraday high, by the way, 777. Buying pressure's coming in. Buying at the ask, helping the price go higher. New intraday high, 777. Screw the bears. Burn the shorts. Burn them. Look at this. 6% short interest up on the day. We're up 5% today. The price. This isn't the price chart. This is the short interest. Every time the price goes up, the short interest goes up. Why? Because the shorts don't understand anything. They don't understand stuff. They're too arrogant, and they think they're going to push it to zero. That's as simple as it gets. You heard it here first. The shorts think this is going to go to $1. Penny stock zero, get delisted again. Mark my words. That's what some of them think. Mark my words. And it's because and I know that. I don't know technically, but I basically do because they don't know what the hell's going. I mean, do you know the amount of risk that these guys are taking right now, adding so many shares today? Do they know? 778, new intraday high. Woo, baby. Woo. Hell yes. 778 right now. 5.5% right now. Jeez. Dude, I'm telling you. I mean, we've been saying, okay, we went over this last week, but there is nowhere for them to go. the freaking, even the analysts that did the price target, the $10 price target today, even they know it's worth more than it is right now. We're fundamentally better right now than we've ever been. We've got options. If we look at the option chain, price action is right there, by the way, if you want to see if we're hitting a new high. They're expiring literally in 2 days. They're expiring this week. Friday, my friends, the calls are expiring Friday. We've got a ton of expirations, right? If we look at the freaking, what do you call it? The freaking option thing. Where is it? Come on, Brandon, hurry up. You're losing viewers. Where is it? Where is it? There it is. God, I can't see sometimes. Right here, if we go to June, right? Look at all this stuff. This is the week that we're in right now. There's 1,000 things going on, man. If you just go to the key, all right, look, standard expiration date for equity, yada, 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 blah, blah. Ape language, there's a ton of shit expiring this week. What does that mean? Higher volume, more volatility, and with the short interest increasing so much, what does this mean? What does this mean, right? It means that there's a chance for something big. 779, new intraday high. New intraday high, bitches. Shorts are getting burned. I think there is an opportunity here. I really do. 780, new intraday high. Buying pressure still coming. Look at all the shares being bought at the ask, helping the price go up. I love it. I absolutely love that. 20,000 at the ask. 780. Oh man, the bulls are rallying right now. Oh man, I gotta take a breath. I gotta get. I'm gonna die. Guys. I gotta take a breath. Sorry, 6% right now. Hold on, one second. Oh man, I'm gonna freaking. Oh man, I almost just. I almost just broke my. I almost just made my light fall down because I'm banging the table so hard. Oh man, booyah, mother. Yes, 781, almost 6% in the agreement now. Short interest just increased by 5% today. It's 5% today. Look at this. I swear to God, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm about to die though. Look at this. What is this? What is this? The price keeps going up and the shorts keep doubling down. They cannot hold us down, though. If it keeps going up, it's the same thing as last week we were talking about, okay? But this time we don't have the market headwinds. And this week we have the options expiring right now this week, man. I'm telling you something. It could get crazy. It could get absolutely crazy this week. We got insane volume. That's the bull case, so you need to understand that you need to sell all your BNGO shares right now if you don't know what you're doing. This community is not for the people who don't know what the hell is going on. If you do know what you're doing, though, there is a freaking squeeze in the horizon. I swear to God, there is a squeeze in the horizon. The gamma squeeze has all the ingredients needed for something insane to happen this week. It's all setting up, but of course, the markets go down. The markets gap down tomorrow. We could see freaking $6, all right? I don't think it's likely. I think we are fundamentally better right now than ever before. We have the CLIA lab confirmed now, which I need to talk. Brennan, I need to text you about that. I keep forgetting. I got a cold Newsweek as well. 1 million shares apparently. It's crazy though. It's getting great. We got the freaking analyst price target upgraded. We got the new thing today. By the way, what the hell happened with this? Did anyone see this? The what's his name, Dr. Wang or whatever, talking about the optical replication map. Did anyone watch this? I didn't watch this. Does anyone watch this? Hold on. Did anyone watch this? Tell me what happened here. If anyone did, I'm gonna watch that later and do a and talk about it in the video if y'all need to, if we could see. But oh man, freaking awesome, dude, freaking awesome. Thank you so much. You're a freaking legend for doing that, man. Weeble comment section, man. Yeah, and here's the thing though. I know it's selfish. I know, yeah, Brandon just wants his channel to do well. Brandon just wants to profit everybody. Okay, there's a couple of rebuttals I added that. Number one, all the money we make from YouTube is thrown back into BNGO shares. Like 99% of all the money we're ever going to make on YouTube, right? The very small amount that we will, it's all BNGO shares. Okay, I swear, I've got the money is coming in, right? I told you guys, the buying, this is why I've been saying I have a lot of buying power. I'm ready, right? It's because there's going to be I'm going to be adding shares one way or another. Either if we crash at $6, $5, $4, or on the way up. Okay, I would prefer on the way up, to be honest with you. Actually, there's different things there. But anyways, back to my point, right? Back to my point. The more people that see this shit, the more people that watch these videos, the more people that understand that the short interest is insane. And yes, there is an opportunity here. And no, this is not the next shill. No, this isn't the next freaking short squeeze attempt, pump and dump attempt by another YouTuber, another new one. No, my friends, find me another stock that has been manipulated for weeks, for literally weeks, and fundamentally just keeps exponentially increasing in value that you can prove is fundamentally undervalued even with the current run-up. Also, that's not even the big thing. The big thing is that the short interest only increases. Through this entire downturn, what has the short interest done, right? The price goes up, short interest goes up 5% a day. All right, exactly. You see it right here, 6% on the day. How else do you explain almost 4 million borrowed shares on the day alone? You got a cost to borrow average of 6%. Estimated short interest is 42.77 million. You know what that is of the float? We're getting close to 20% of the shares outstanding, or the flow, or both. Well, both of the has been sold short, not yet covered. I mean, that's as simple as it gets. Listen, mark my words, okay? Now, we could easily fail. We could easily dump, and tomorrow see whatever. Oh, my gosh, we got 20 seconds till the close. I'm losing my mind. Add some more shares to the close, my friend. Oh, man, I got to calm down. I got to calm down for a second. I got to catch my breath. I'm sorry. Okay, we got 10 seconds to the close here. Let's see if there's big buys coming in at the close. All right, oh my gosh. I had to calm down for a second. Oh my gosh. Oh, holy, what? Okay, so I guess this was just bought at the bought right at the price. Okay, well, wow. Okay, we have about 500,000, 4 to 500,000 shares just added. Well, not necessarily added. I guess it's white, so we don't know. If it's white, that means it didn't help the price go up or down, right? If it's green, that means it was bought at a price that helps the price go up. If it's red, it means it was bought or sold or bought. I guess technically because it's both, right? Every transaction is a buy and sell. It was done at a price that helps the stock go down. So, all right, but that's pretty crazy. That's pretty crazy, man. Check oil, please, Brandon. It says sell and money to be made. This is not financial advice. Okay, all right, here we go. I'm gonna add one more share to the. Oh, I can't. That's not even. I add one more share to the clause. That's not even YouTube. I feel bad. Oh God. All right, I'll do one more share. You know what? All right, here. I'll put an order in. You know what? I'm only gonna. I do this every day nowadays. Whatever. I'm gonna do it anyway. I don't care. Peer pressure. I don't do well under peer pressure. 769. All right, I'm adding a share. I'm gonna add a share and do my part in keeping us above the 21 SMA on the 4-hourly time frame. Right? Please don't do this. Please don't do what I'm doing unless you know what the hell you are doing. I'm doing one share, literally one share. Okay, here we go. One share, extended hours, 768, limit order. Here we go. Boom. All right, done. There's my order right there. Buy one, limit order, 768. All right. Oh my God, what the hell is going on with Tyler Hughes? Thank you, Boomstick. All right. I've been checking this channel for almost 2 hours. Finally, we're back. What? We've been back. We've been going for a while, my friend. All right. Oh my God. Yeah. 455. Yeah. Huge print at the close, but it wasn't. We don't know if it was buy. Technically, there's always a buy and sell. Or yes, yada yada. But dude, we have. Look at this. 340,000. And let me reiterate for the day. Okay. Screw. I'm gonna get to all your questions. It's like 1,000 chats I missed. I'm gonna read all your guys' questions and shit. I'll go over that ticker. Hold on. Don't let me forget that. Hey, don't let me. What's your name? Something Stewart. Coco Stewart, don't let me forget to check that out. I'll look at that. What, oil? Okay, I'll check that here in a second. Don't let me forget that. But right now, I want to talk about what happened today and why it's so insane and why I almost just killed myself right there with yelling too much. 6% short interest increase on the day. That looks like the price action, doesn't it? We're up almost 6%. Yes, it does. We're up 5.56% on the day. What does the short interest do? Oh, it probably went down, right? Shorts getting scared. Shorts realize they're about to get fucked in the ass. The margin calls coming from ANC. No, they're not covering. They're adding at the close. 6% and 6% added. So look at this. All right, you can't make it up, man. Almost 4 million bar shares on the day. All right, what's your return shares? Nothing. Okay, 305K, that's nothing. That's not 42 million estimated short interest of the flow. I mean, 42 million shares of the flow has been sold short, not yet covered. 15.5% of the free float currently shorted, not yet covered. So lent out from the brokers, still currently being held because, and here's the key. Here's what you all have to understand before you leave. You can leave after you hear this, okay? If the price does well, if the markets do well tomorrow, the short. All right, AMC squeeze happens. There's a couple of things that can instigate. What I'm about to say. All right, AMC squeeze, or any squeeze of the meme stocks, right? Any sort of margin call instigating event for the hedges that are shorting a lot of the high growth stocks like BNGO, AMC, Clover, Wish, BlackBerry, all these, right? If they start getting those margin calls, they're not going to have to sell one thing. They're going to have to sell a lot of shit, including. In a lot of them, I guarantee you some of the whales and some of the toots and some of the dart pool people, they are going to have to sell their BNGO. They're going to have to cover and buy back their shares. They were short. They're going to have to stop. They're going to have to cover those shares, buying them back, sending us higher. And if that starts to happen this week before Friday, dude, it's going to, I think it could get, I don't want to give you all false hope, but it could get absolutely parabolic. And here's why. We've got Friday expirations of thousands of contracts. Look at the open interest on these, man. 16,000. All right, find me a put anything in short term that has 16,000. Only one of them has 5,000. Okay, and most of these are just people hedging their position because of risk. The point is, you've got all of your ingredients for a gamma squeeze and a short, both of them, gamma squeeze and short squeeze, because of a few reasons. Okay, you got short-dated buying of call options. You've got the price going up, but this is the contingency. That's the contingency, right? If the price continues to go up, we have to hodl by and large. And you've got the short interest increasing. And now the fourth thing, you have the market support, right? Now today, JP's done, man. The Fed is done. We already know. Everybody knows the economic calendar. There's not much going on next week, right? I mean, tell me something. Tell me some event next week that's going to be huge. I mean, what? Consumer spending, core PCE price index. I mean, okay, consumer sentiment index. A lot of people care about that. Apparently, I didn't know people cared about that. I've heard that people do, but I don't. None of this stuff is anywhere close to as big as the stuff that we got today. There's no doubt in that. There's no doubt in my mind about saying that. So my point is, here's the point. I'll say it in one sentence if you didn't understand any of that shit. If BNGO's price keeps going up, it could get parabolic. And that's the bull case. Is that I would say there's probably a fairly low chance of that happening, right? But it's even the mere possibility of it. You need to be aware of the mere possibility of it, because I would say there's at least more than a 5% chance this week that it could get pretty crazy. It's going to be crazy volume on Friday, and it's going to be crazy volume the rest of the week, right? If we look at the options expiration calendar thingy here, right? Look at this, Kate. We got 1,000 things going on this week, man. We've got Thursday and Friday left. Okay, orange and red. What does orange and red mean? Last day to trade, expiring equity index options, right? And then standard expiration date for equity index, yada, yada, all right? So we got a ton of volume coming in this week, the rest of the week. So that's kind of, and the short interest has only increased today. So that is what I will leave you with. With that being said, I will go ahead and look at oil and questions. Feel free to click off now. I'm going to go ahead and sum up some news today. Obviously, there was a ton of pieces of news today for Bionano. I haven't even talked about it much in this stream. Last stream we did. But yeah, there's a ton of news for Bionano today. So all right, here we go. Oil. All right, so check oil, Brandon, please. I'm assuming that's a ticker. Let me check oil. I hope you're still in here. I'm sorry. Oil. Do you just mean oil itself, like the commodity? It's a sell, and money to be made. This is not financial advice. Stuart, can you kind of tell me? Can you kind of explain that more to me, my friend? Oil going to dump. It expires June 22nd. Easy money. Oh, so you're trying to short it? It's gonna dump. Crude oil right here. Okay, you think what? Why? Because it expires. What do you mean it expires? What do you mean it? We're losing so many viewers. I'm gonna ask your questions right now. Why is the Wi-Fi screwing up? What the heck? No. What? Okay, no, we're good, I guess. Okay, here we go. Yes, the calls. There are no calls. Okay, well, for this one there are. Okay, well, yeah, maybe. Well, that's not necessarily. You need to look at more things than just the calls expiring, though. But yeah, maybe. I don't know what you want to say. Is this the one you want me to analyze, my friend? Look at the 6-month GVO chart next to BNGO, and I'll buy 1,000 more shares. Whoa, no, you won't. That's bullshit, but I'm going to do it just in case. All right, tell me. Stuart, tell me what you want me to look at here. I'll look at whatever. But yeah, you're saying look at GVO chart next to BNGO. Okay. I will. Future contracts on oil. Oil is going to dump because of Iran. All right, well, we'll be watching that. Hope oil prices drop then. Let me go. BNGO. Apparently, BNGO and GVO move very similarly, right? I mean, exactly the same. Let's see if there's any truth to that. Okay, let's look at the... Hold on. Let me go and get rid of some of the resistance levels for BNGO, right? Let me get rid of... Here, let me just get rid of this one. Let's get rid of this one. Here we go. Let's get rid of this. So we can actually see what's going on here. All right, here we go. All right. It's so hard to see because... Okay, here we go. That's the 1 minute chart. Okay, it has moved similarly. Okay, I see what you mean. Yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah, one look at the chart and I see what you mean exactly. Yeah, here we go. All right, this person is mentioning out here. Let me maximize the chart for you real quick. Just look at Bionano's chart real quick. It looks the exact same almost as GVO's, it looks like. Let me go to GVO real quick. Yeah, there you go. Well, yeah, it looks very similar. Yes, it does. Now you have to buy 1,000 shares. Oh, man. Also, Nano Dimension moves similarly to BNGO. Yes, it used to. It definitely used to. And now it does as well. It does as well now. Look at the spark line. This is Nano Dimension right here. It's done this for... I mean, we've been watching this for months, right? I mean, if you're an OG on the channel, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Look at the exact same spark lines. Today, the volume of Bionano was kicking ass. The yellow one. The blue one is going to be BNGO. red Microvision, and orange is going to be NNDM. Microvision's red, orange inhibition, right? Bionano's kicking their ass on volume, but getting obliterated compared to the average 3-month volume. That's not what you want to see. It's not what you want to see at all. Well, it's better than nothing, right? All right, let me go ahead and answer all the questions. I'm gonna answer all the questions that we have here. I'm gonna try to read everybody's comment now because I missed so many because it was an insane close, absolutely insane close. Anyone check on Robbie? That's a good question. Anyone that's new here, Robbie's an inside joke. He's a bear. He randomly will show up, and he was the one that was. It's a little bit more complicated than this, but yeah, he was saying he was buying shorts, and taking new short positions and buying puts on May 13th, and we were buying a dip. And him and his buddy Mythical Physics. Was it Mythical? No, it was Dr. Pepper. Yeah, they were making fun of all the bulls, saying we were retards for buying the dip here. That's why you gotta be careful about the bears' misinformation. Sometimes it's just absolute FUD. BNGO save until 2022. All right. Meme stocks today. Meme stocks today did pretty bad. I mean, they did pretty awful, actually. AMC got obliterated. BlackBerry got obliterated. Clover got killed. Wolf got killed. Wolf. SENS actually did pretty. Actually, SENS recovered pretty damn well. Everything pretty much recovered well, right? The spark lines look very similar. Look, SENS, Skills, MP. The spark lines are almost the exact same as these three. But look at that, man. Well, actually, not. I mean, they're similar, but not. Look at this. This is why we always say this is why I actually have these three right next to each other, because they're almost always the same. It's the weirdest thing. It's the damnest thing too, because they're so different. They're so different. Running. Are we gonna start running in the after hours as well? Oh man, I don't think I can handle it. I'm just gonna explode. You're just gonna see me explode into a freaking a freaking cloud of dust here, if we keep going up, because I cannot handle it. Especially the short interest. Oh, the short interest. If the short interest continues to increase, I'm gonna lose my mind. You're gonna witness a person in college just die on stream. It'll be entertaining for sure, if nothing else. Brandon about to wet his britches. Yeah, I like how you use britches as well. That's such a medieval word. Let me look up the definition of that. That just means shorts, right? Britches. I'm gonna start using that. Britch is. What? Oh, is that underwear or shorts? Is that underwear or shorts? I thought that was shorts. I don't know. I heard what's his name? Sir Bronn in Game of Thrones, right? Bronn, the Blackwater Knight guy, that awesome guy. Pantalones. Yeah, he said you have your britches down and your. Does anyone get that reference? Probably not. That's a weird reference. I just rewatched Game of Thrones. All right, anyway, yeah, 782. Yeah, 783 after hours high. Actually, that's the intraday high as well. Up 0.5% after hours. Hell yeah, man. Bionano now on Russian exchange. Are you? Brandon, would you survive a 100% day? No. No. I would not. Isn't britches the same as pants? I don't know. Is it? Button-up jeans are britches. Oh. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Yeah, I'm a Game of Thrones. Dude, listen to me. All right, you want to make a Lord of the Rings, Star Wars, Game of Thrones, Spartacus, Gladiator, Braveheart, any sort of those references, I love it. Those are my favorite movies. Favorite stuff. Your closing prediction this afternoon was 775. GG, man. That was just, oh my, I didn't even realize. Yeah, yeah, that's right. I actually did get that almost exactly right. Hey, come on, everyone loves me now, right? Right now, here, this is a lesson everyone needs to understand, right? If you're gonna follow the channel tomorrow to see if this is, if you're a new viewer and you think you should join this community, right? Everyone loves me when it's green. Everybody hates me when it's red. Okay, you need to understand that. I mean, right now we're doing great. I mean, all the OGs understand. All the people who know what they're doing, they understand that. If you follow the channel for a while, you'd be in the green a lot right now. But it doesn't matter when we're in the red. Like yesterday. Well, actually, wait, was it yesterday? I don't freaking remember. I can't think. I don't have brain cells sometimes. But anyways, on red days, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how much we've gone up. And my point is, you have to know what you're doing if you're going to actually buy stuff, right? Right now, I don't know about euphoria, but you just have a lot of bullish sentiment right now. And if you don't know what you're doing, this is not the right community for you. When you're joining, now I don't want to be like a copycat of GME or AMC, but it's just the truth. Okay, when you buy Bionano now or you're gonna hodl, you're joining a war, and the hedges and the shorts are coming for your shares. That's as simple as it gets. And if you hodl, and if we collectively hodl, it's gonna be game over. They're gonna get fucked in the ass. Billions of dollars rotating from the hedges to retail. That's as simple as it gets. Maybe not billions. Okay, the market cap is $2 billion, but hundreds of millions easily. Okay, so. But you have to understand there's a bear case, and it's not for everybody. So I'll just say that. I don't wear breeches. I wear a kilt. Scotland forever. Scotland forever. Yes, I love that. That's awesome. That's awesome. Scotland. Do you know that meme? Is anyone thinking the same thing I am? The like 20-second YouTube video. I don't know. No one understands what I'm talking about right now. BNGO end of year is easy, $16 to $19. Yeah, that's pretty realistic. Yeah, I have $20 as my end of year likely case. $15 is extremely likely in my opinion. Yeah. Brandon, any updates on your end of year prediction? Good timing. Yeah, not really. If anything, it's gotten high. If anything, I don't want to get y'all too excited, but here's the thing. If the markets go up, if high growth does us any favors, if Wall Street bets stop censoring us, I really, you guys know, okay, I try to be very, I have an obligation, I think, to give you both sides always, because some people, just like that, all in, baby, life savings. I want to give you both sides, and here's the fact of the matter, okay? There is a huge parabolic move possibility, okay? I don't want to get everybody too excited, but there's a possibility for something crazy to happen in these next few days and weeks and maybe even months. I don't know when. I'm not going to lie to you. Don't listen to anyone who claims to know what's going to happen, but I'm just telling you, I think there's a chance for something crazy to happen. But there are contingencies, of course. Bogdanov is pissed today, Brandon. He is sending assassins our way. I know. He bought? Dump it. What Fed meetings are next week and which days? None. None. And this is what we were talking about earlier, right? We just talked about this right before you came in, probably, my friend. There's nothing. There's nothing. There's, what, GDP revision, consumer spending, consumer sentiment index, which apparently people care about. I didn't even know that. I certainly don't care about this shit. I mean, I don't care about much of this stuff as much as last week, as much as this week, right? There's not much, right? This is why I think there's a good chance that the markets are really well off short term. And there is a chance, with any luck, Bionano could be doing some good things, right? Or the shorts and manipulators scare and create enough FUD, enough for us to go way down. Why is this a squeeze? What are the stats? That's a great question. So I'm assuming you're asking why is there a squeeze potential? Well, one reason, okay? Well, not really. It's pretty complicated. But basically, you have an extremely high short interest with the stock that's only fundamentally gotten exponentially better, more than any other stock in the time frame that I'm about to give you, right? So from February 16th, right here, the peak, right? Since that day, and maybe not since that day, but since the downturn, right? Since the start of March, right? There's proof of manipulation. Okay, and I know that because fundamentally we've gotten insane catalysts that have literally just sent the stock lower. And if you want to make the argument like one of them, oh, it's just shorts, they're having their way, they're winning, fine. This has happened for months on end, and you can find the proof. The proof is on the channel. Okay, we've been streaming like one video. We've been streaming every day for like what, a month now, more than that, and we've been making one BNGO video every trading day since like February. Okay, the proof is on the channel, and I also have all of the reasons listed in a very nice Reddit thread. But anyways, short explanation, right? It's very complicated, but essentially, if you look at the Ortex data, you're looking at 42 million current estimated short interest, right? That's only increased if you look at Fintel data, and I do have premium Fintel. You're welcome if you're new here. Do we even get any new viewers in it nowadays? YouTube algorithm hates us now, which I'm not complaining, but it's just, yeah. Anyways, let's go to the short interest here. So if we go down here, right? Right here. No, yes, right here. Short interest of the flow. Let me go down here so you can see a little better. Okay, so if you look at mid-April, we had a flow short interest. Now, don't worry about the percent here. Just worry about the increase, okay? 15% short interest, all right? And notice the date, April 15th. What was the price on April 15th, you may ask, right? That's a good question. Well, if we look back here, it's $6 a share. Now, since $6 a share, we've gone up, we've gone down, and then we've gone way up. What has the short interest done, right? You would think, well, the price has gone up like a lot, right? From $6 to $4 and now to like $7, almost $8. Short interest probably would decrease, right? That has something to do with the price action. No, No, it's going up about 6%. Okay, that's as simple as it gets. Now you pair that with the short interest, not short interest, the option chain here, the open interest on the calls that are so high, and the short dated buying of options that are expiring very soon this week, this Friday. You've got a case to be made that if things go right, yeah, you do have a chance for something crazy here. And the reason why, and if you didn't understand that, you're like, Brandon, that's not proof for it. Well, just think of it this way. The hedges are already way down. They're already almost getting margin calls based on the other shit that they're in, right? AMC, GME, Clove, right? All this other crap. They're already getting killed there. Many of those same guys that are getting killed are either whales, dart pools, or hedges, short and Bionano and getting puts on us and manipulating the stop price, in my opinion. Okay, make your own decision on manipulation. It's proven, in my opinion. But oh yeah, and I missed one of the super chats. Sorry. Hodl Master. Yeah, I'll get to that in 1 second, my friend. I gotta make this point though for the short interest, and then everyone can leave. Okay, but all of them are already down a ton. If they think, and the reason why the short interest is increasing right now is because they think this can go lower. If they don't succeed in pushing it down a significant amount, there's nothing else they can do. And here's the reason why. The margin calls are coming. They're already down a huge amount, and they're using everything they can to push it down. There is 4 million borrowed short shares today. They are literally on their last leg, man. They are dying and they are ready to end it. They want to get out of here. They've already lost a lot of money. If they don't start pushing the price down, okay, I said this since $8. I said if we can, I remember saying at one point, if we can stay above or even around, right? This is a quote. You can watch the last videos if you don't believe me, you think I'm making stuff up. They're there for you. My OGs can tell you. I have said this several times. If we can stay around $8, $7, or even higher, preferably, right? That would make a higher chance. The shorts only have a limited amount of time. Okay, there's no fees involved with buying a long position. With shorting, not only do you get way higher risk, but you have borrow fee rates, especially if they're borrowed shares, right? If the short borrow fee rate is not extremely high, but the cost to borrow average, if you're doing the borrowed shares, you're looking at 6%. That's a lot of risk and a lot of money for not much, right? You're just losing money, right? So why would you continue to do it if you're going to get a margin call if you don't cover your position? It's very simple. So with that being said, I'll leave it with that. It's more complicated. There's more stuff in that, right? Okay, but let me go up here. All right. Hey, could you give me your overall forecast for ORPH tomorrow if the FDA news is positive? Thinking everyone ran it up today and sold it before tomorrow. Oh, I feel bad because I don't know much about this company. I've heard a lot about it. I've heard a lot of good things. Let me go to the daily chart here. Oh man, this is the one that went up like 1,000% or whatever in a day. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Well, I can't really tell you anything about the FDA news because I know nothing about the FDA news. But what I will tell you is that the 4-hourly 21 SMA, if you dip to what is that, 1192, that's now a horrible entry point. Look at how much of a pump and dump this thing was. Not really. Okay, I don't know if it's pump and dump, but look at this. It went to 77 real quick and then it backed down all the way to only 100% above this, which is still great. But, you know, it's like, damn, how? How did this happen? Somebody explain to me how the hell this thing went all the way. Also, what's up with the volume today? What the heck? All right, anyways, I can't really tell you much. I'm sorry, my friend. I can look at the news real quick. I don't know much. There's a Thursday Catalyst, PDUFA Catalyst. Yeah, I don't know. I just don't know enough. I'm sorry. If you want to give me a more specific question, I can try to answer that. Hodl Master. I'm sorry, my friend. Newsweek, the way people are holding this will rock it. I knew something way back in February because someone called me. I would tell you when I meet you holding beyond long. Newsweed, I look forward to meeting you, my friend. You know what? Tell you what. Screw the camera. Here, tell you what. I'm going to put the camera off for a second. I'm going to send Newsweed a text right now. Hold on. I'm going to send Newsweed a text right now. Hold on, I got his number. I want to do this so I don't forget. Okay, I'm sorry. One sec. I'm going to get his freaking number in here real quick. Right now, let me know. What is everybody's end-of-day prediction for tomorrow? And end of week. Tell me your prediction, end-of-day price for BNGO tomorrow, and what's your price prediction for next week? I'm going to get this contact set up real quick. Hold on. Feel free to get off here now. I'm just taking questions, and then we're also doing, what do you call it? We're also just recapping the news and shit and whatever. And so 215-219-7699. Yep, all right. Perfect. All right. Let's see. What is everybody saying? 8.2 tomorrow, 9.5 end of week. My name's Brandon, by the way. Okay, there we go. There we go. All right, I'm putting it back on. I'm putting it back on. Here we go. Let's get it back on there. Hold on, boys. Stay with me. Don't click off yet. All right, we're good. We're good. All right. Why is my video on 360p? Because my phone sucks and my computer sucks. That's why. Oh, man, that was quite the interesting stream, wasn't it? Oh, man, can I relax now? Can we relax? Oh, are we gonna start running in the after hours? Are we gonna make me start yelling again? Around $9. And end of day 782 tomorrow. End of week 1333. Ooh, baby! I hope you're right. I hope you're right. Mythical Physics. What's his name? Mythical predicted. What did he say? $9 in a week or something crazy? I hope he's right. Gamma squeeze is all we need. When we hit the deltas for Friday's contrast, it's easy to see they're extended to keep out of the $8 calls, 8 strike calls. Check your phone, sent pig. Okay, hold on. Oh, man. Let me zoom in here. Hold on. Oh, my. Well, BNGO CSCW. Is that a freaking CSCW? Is that a freaking NFT thing? Quantity 1,000, or quantity is 1,009,194. 1,009,194. That looks pretty legit. Portfolio digest. That looks pretty legit. Okay, I can't argue with him anymore. I guess Newsweek is legit. Yeah, I just saw. He just sent me a text about it. It doesn't say what cost basis. Yeah, what is your cost basis? Yeah, it doesn't say. Can you send me the whole thing? Maybe send me a. Yeah, it doesn't say. Yeah, it doesn't have the cost. Average cost here. It doesn't have the average cost on the picture that he sent me at least. Yes, correct. That's insane. That's insane. I'm looking forward to meeting you, Newsweek. By the way, we're gonna get in touch here. I have your number now, right? So I can call you later, whatever the hell you want. But well, when are you coming, man? We'll do a video. We'll do a video. When we meet, okay. $2. $2 is the average price. Oh man, millionaire. Is that a Is that a tens of millions or million? What, $1 million? $1 million times 7. $7 million? $7 million value. Is that right? Or is my math horrible? My math is horrible. Next week. All right, Newsweek. Hey, Newsweek, remember this. You have to freaking send me the text because I will forget. You guys don't understand. When I say I forget stuff, you don't understand how serious I am. I will forget shit. I will. I promise you. Don't underestimate the power of me forgetting stuff, okay? So Newsweek, the point is you gotta text me sometime about what's going on, about when you're coming and whatever the heck it is, okay? Welcome to Conclusive Insider, my friend. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, my friend. Oh Lord. So you put 2 million into one stock and now you have 8 million. Yeah, he basically does have 8 million now. Yeah. If my math is correct. That's awesome. We've got a whale in the chat, everybody. Newsweek, everybody. Whale alert. Whale alert. Can you give me some shares? Oh, this man up and down hundreds of thousands in a day. Yeah, he is. He is, man. No, I do not know who that is. But then again, I don't know who any celebrities are. Like, if you ask me who, if you ask me like famous actors, famous people, I don't know. Especially pop culture. You ask me any sort of, don't do a pop culture reference and expect me to understand it. Brandon is going to become the next victim of the YouTube killer. I don't quite understand. What do you mean? What do you mean? That sounds funny though. All right, we're losing viewers just like that. All right, feel free to leave now. We're just taking questions and we're getting out of here. Because we do have to do several videos today, or at least one long video here in a couple hours to explain what the heck happened today, because there's a ton of stuff that happened. Brandon, meet him in a public place. I'm scared. Oh, I get it now. The YouTube kid, he's going to come and kill me. Tomorrow, next week on the stream, you guys I'm just gone, and there's just someone else here streaming. Oh, man. Meeting up with Brandon over YouTube is the equivalent of the people meeting up on Craigslist, and then we all wonder why they act surprised when they were murdered, though. Yeah. He doesn't even know his Star Trek references. Even millennial geeks get Star Trek. No, no one knows Star Trek. Come on. You can't tell me, hey, Star Wars, Lord of the Rings, Game of Thrones, those are the references that matters. Everything else, like, eh. News, we want to donate me like 10 shares, I'll hodl. Fintel update. Short share availability or institutions? I'm going to go, if it's an institution that's big, I'm pretty sure everybody in the chat would be going crazy if that was it. Let's go here. Let me just click this. What if Newsweed is actually Robbie and he kills Brandon? He could be. He could be. The broker I am using is going to be Webull, right? Free stocks in the description. Please give me more money. No, I'm kidding. But there is free stocks. Seriously, quick plug. Sorry. I have 2 grandsons who know the characters. Star Trek is, I mean, I don't know. Maybe it could be good, but here's the thing, man. I've seen the trailers and the little snippets on TV, man. You know, I don't know. It's just, I don't know. It doesn't seem like something that I'm gonna be watching. But hey, I could be judging it too harshly, and I've only seen a little bit of it, right? Whoa! We've got a filing. We've got somebody selling out. No, we've got somebody that's short. We've got a new short position. Am I right? Oh, we've got somebody that just shorted 65,000 shares. You got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me. I'm pretty sure an institution just shorted 65,000 shares. Literally, we just got that data right now. Yep. 65,000 shares just shorted right now. The U.S. Small Cap Equity Fund Class Y just made the first position, and they now are on the funds disclosing short positions inputs. They now have 65,000 shares in short. They have 65,000 short shares. We have a new enemy. Yes, we do. Let's look at these guys. I guess the U.S. Small Cap Equity Fund class. Very weird. What the heck? Trying to find if there's a minus here. What the heck? Hold on. Okay, there is. Okay. Oh my God, look how many there are. I mean, I guess it is a small cap index, but man. So yeah, I wouldn't really, I mean, yeah, that's interesting. It's a small cap index, so I don't know. Here, tell you what. Here, no, let me go right here. Hold on. Okay, so disclose about 1,203 total holdings. Portfolio is estimated to be $1.5 billion in holdings. Most recent portfolio value calculation. Remember that. Okay, so that's interesting. I wonder why they're doing that. That's weird. It's not like they have to. I don't know. It's weird. That's weird. 5 series, original next general voice. It's like Happy Days. Yeah, effective date. Yeah, let me look at the effective date real quick. Hold on. Let me do this right here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, effective date is gonna be 4/30. April 30th, the MP form, and then allocation is pretty much nothing. So 65,000 shares short for the freaking U.S. Small Cap Equity Fund class REBYX. Idiots. Absolute idiots. if they actually decide what they do, what they are going to do, which I'm not sure because they're U.S. Small Cap Equity Fund class, and based on their description, I can't really tell. But yeah. They do have a $1.5 billion though. That's a lot of power that they could use to short and manipulate the price. $1.5 billion. I'm not saying they are. I'm just saying, damn. All right. Let's get last minute questions. Let's get out of here. We got to make videos today. We got to make several videos today because there's so many good things. There's so many good things about today. So many news. Is BNGO in works with NASA? Why? Because it's going to the moon. It probably has something to do with the adding into the Russell 3000. Effective date was 4/30. Effective date was April. What do you call it? April. Hold on. Yeah, April 30th was the effective date. Yeah, the utilization. Hold on, let me see. I wish I could see the utilization on here. I mean, we already basically know it because we have the short share availability on Fintel, right? Let me see right here. There's not many more shares available to short, man. There's not many. There's not many more shares. They've already done everything they can, basically, right? Look at this. Only 250,000 available to short, right? This is nothing almost. Okay, this is less than AMC was last I checked. Rough probability of anything happening Friday. I'm afraid that since everyone is anticipating this, something will happen. It could be bad. I mean, there's a ton of volume. It's not necessarily going to be good. I mean, I think it's more likely to be good if the price goes up beforehand, right? If we already have gone up this week. Well, actually, not really. Not really. We're still, well, no, technically, okay, so 614 on Monday, we opened up at about 763. We're still higher right now. At least we closed higher than that today, but, what was I going to say? But yeah, there is going to be a ton of volume there, and it's not necessarily going to be good or bad, but it's going to be crazy. So the probability is pretty high of something crazy happening. I mean, it's definitely going to, it's like most likely going to be insanely volatile, right? It's insane volume, insane price action. It's going to be fun. That's what it's going to be, right? Utilization, okay, on days to cover is 2.3. Utilization is only 92%. Okay, I honestly expected that to be higher, to be honest with you. Okay, the flow on loan, the free flow on loan, 20%. On loan is 56%. And the days to cover is 2.36. That's not very high. I honestly expected the utilization to be a little bit higher, to be honest with you. But still, the short interest is still the most important thing. It's still very high. HODL, I have 574,000 shares here in 3 different accounts. What kind of post is this? Whatever, it's good, though. It's good. I like to see it, but... Heck yeah, man. Heck yeah. Yes. I'd like to see it. Barcoding and after hours. If you look at the 1 minute, here you go. Okay. Barcoding. The data is from June 9th based on NASDAQ report for the utilization rate. Is it? I don't know. All right, we got to get out of here. Last minute questions, and then we got to end it. All right, there's a ton of news today. The short interest alone and the technicals are crazy. Along with, we've got what? We've got was the Leap news today? Hold on, let me check here. We got this thing. Somebody tell me, did anyone actually watch this? Is this new? Somebody told me that this wasn't new. We know ORM. I guess technically ORM, we already kind of knew about it, right? I don't have it pulled up right now because I exited it. But anyways, yeah. Did anyone actually watch this thing? I didn't. That's what JP said. Well, that's not what he said, but yeah. Fed hold rates at near zero, projects 2 possible rate hikes by end of 2023. So tomorrow morning? Heck yeah. I heard it was in Chinese. This is France. Dr. Wang is an institute is of France. I'm confused now. I'm confused. Let me buy it. It will go down then. All right. I think we will go sideways in the low 8 to mini runs up to $9 and stair step up with the BNGO catalyst if markets hold up. We will just do this faster. All right, let's get out of here. Let's end it. I think unless there's something else crazy, yeah, we got a ton of news to go over in the videos today. But yeah, let's get out of here. Yes, Stuart. Sorry, I have a childish sense of humor. If you didn't already figure that out, you probably already have. Anyways, with that being said, let's get out of here. Let's leave it. Let's end the stream, and then tonight we're gonna make the videos on all the news that's happened today. I think tomorrow decides if we pop end of week. I don't know. We'll see. It definitely could. I don't know about that though. But all right. Also everybody notice how Bionano is up and doing, I'll probably jinx it right now. We'll probably go red. But basically Bionano is even to green after hours. Everything else is red. We're starting. I mean, this is speculative right here, what I'm about to say. But maybe this could be the start of the detethering and decorrelation, if that even makes sense, right? The end of the correlation of the NASDAQ and the broader markets and high growth to Bionano. I would love if we could become a CTXR Not in that, we're going way up. CTXR is going way up. But CTXR, it's not correlated to the markets very much. I would love if Bionano could reduce its correlation to the broader markets. If the broader markets go up and Bionano doesn't follow, that's great. I don't care. Okay? I just want Bionano to move based on the fundamentals and based on the company and not the broader markets. Anyways, with that being said, all right, let's get out of here. Price target given by the new analyst is $10. Thanks, Brandon. All right, man, you're welcome, my friend. Thank you. On that note, goodbye. All right, bye, Nathan. $10, but can be raised with good earnings. Yeah, it can easily be raised. Have a good evening. See you tomorrow. All right. Have a nice evening. Thanks, Brandon. All right, thank you all so much, man. This is not financial advice. I will see you all tomorrow. Market open. And actually, you know what? I'll leave it in for anyone that's new here. I'll leave it. If you don't know what Bionano is, if you think this is a weird company, it's a weird guy, this guy's insane, he nearly killed himself on stream, you'd be right. I would direct you, if you want to know more about Bionano, you can either watch this playlist right here that has all your information there, or you can watch the 111-page due diligence that we have done here that is not loading right now. Hold on, let's go ahead and copy the link here. I'm going to put this in here. There are 2 long didn't read sections and 8 language sections. If you want to know about the company, that's what you want to do, man. Anyways, and make your own decision, please. And also, I have to end it with this. Sell right now if you don't know what you're doing. Anyways, that being said, thank you all so much. This is not financial advice. I will see y'all in the next one.